Hello everyone, it's your girl Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So, I already started cleaning and everything. Right now I'm just like redoing this entire corner. So I'll show you that when it's done and I'll show you some of the things that I'm doing. Yeah. Look at all these that I'm getting rid of. It's not a lot, but for me, it's a lot. I rearranged my lipstick container and put my chapstick in here as well. That's my lip smacker chapstick drawer. All the other chapsticks are up there. And then lip glosses and liners and all of my lipsticks. Here are the drawers. This one has like foundation and concealer and all that in there. Those are all primers. This is the only setting spray I have right now. And then there's some like extra things in the back. Lashes, other like tools, some sharpeners, and then a lip scrub and my daily moisturizer. In this one, this is like the eyebrow eyeliner drawer. And then there's a little duo lash in the back. And then these are powders and like pressed pigment eyeshadows. I have those in there. And then back here are products that I need to try out. There should be a room tour up soon because today I'm basically, all the furniture and everything's like where we want it. But I'm cleaning up today and like reorganizing the shelves because they look so cluttered. I think that might be in like 2-3 weeks that I'll have that up because I want to do this video I'm doing now and then a closet video because I'm going to show my closet in the room tour. So yeah, let's finish tackling this stuff. I made this list for my corner over here and I've done most of the things. I have a couple things left, and then there's a couple of things I'll probably add to the list as I go, because there's still, I'm gonna cover some of this, but like there's a bunch of things over there and still on the shelf and everything needs to be taken care of like now while I have the motivation to do it. There's still a lot. It doesn't look like a lot, but there's still a lot. My hair is crazy, but I just went downstairs and I got a juice. These are the zero sugar ones. These ones I can drink warm, but the ones with like regular sugar, you know, like the regular ones, I can't drink warm. They taste disgusting to me warm. So I definitely recommend the zero sugar. And I guess it's just turned into a little vlog. Okay, I took a break for a couple hours because I really needed it. Oh, I'm dropping everything. So, let's sit that right there. What was I gonna say? I don't remember. Okay, so the shelves are all organized. So I only have 3 things left on the list to do. So I had to put clean up all the trash, which I did, except for I just need to bring it downstairs. So I'm gonna check that off. And then I need to put all the extra stuff in the closet. Like I have a bunch of extra storage containers now that I reorganized it. I have like extra of these storage containers, but not like the big ones that I wanted to use today. But I'm going to do that right now. So I'll check that off. And then I will show you the final result and check everything else. Make sure I did everything else. So this is so good. I'm definitely glad that I picked those up. And I'll probably start getting them more often. You're going to see this video after what I'm about to talk to you about. So I just wanted to show you guys my purse. Obviously, you would already see this if you watched my like update slash what's in my purse. I know I did one of these during Vlogmas, and things haven't like really changed, but they kind of have now that I'm pregnant. So, there's my purse, and these are very spacious. They were $16.98 at Walmart. Ow! I just bit my nail backwards. But real quick, I'm not gonna obviously show you like everything that's in, because that's for that video. But like this pocket is huge. I don't even fill up like, I probably fill up like a third of the space in the huge compartment. And then the compartment in the front. And then there's like phone slash like water bottle slots on the side. So my other book bag purse broke, as I explained. So I got that one for the summer, and I definitely recommend it. I'm trying to find some more vlog angles, but look at that crazy pile of clothes that I have to fold. Here is the reveal. This box and this little container were for a video. That's why they're there right now. This is all my lip products that I showed you earlier, but I'm going to keep my notebooks right next to that. This shelf, I have my face masks, palettes, and brushes. These drawers I showed you earlier, but that's where I put them. On top here, I have my makeup wipes currently, a bunch of everyday products, and I have a pop socket in there for some reason. I have a cup, because usually I'll have a cup sitting there while I'm doing my makeup or whatever, and then a jar for candy. Let's start down here at the bottom of my shelves. This is all the Bath & Body Works, or well, all the body care stuff, excuse me, I have out right now. And the candles. This shelf isn't my boyfriend's, except for my deodorant. I just kind of threw this together real quick. It's messy, but I wanted to get this video done. Now this shelf is really busy, just for right now. I usually keep my brush there, but that looked super cluttered. Change my little camera, what are they called? Pieces to add on. EOS, my phone box. This is a aroma diffuser, which I have those right there. That is scrunchies, and then my baby book. This is my niece's. Then I have my like perfumes up there. And here I have skincare. It's all skincare stuff. This is medicine and hair stuff. And then down here is important papers, and then that's just something I threw in. Up here, this is kind of messy right now. I have a pair of my sunglasses, a random lollipop, headphones. This is my old phone I got broken. We have movies in there, some cute little baby stuff, my boyfriend's little Vegeta, and my jewelry box with some hair elastics. So for right now, this is an overview of my area with a little bit of my boyfriend's things. The hair has gotten drastically worse over the course of this video, but it's okay. I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope you enjoyed.